Your animation looks choppy and you don't know why. 3 simple tricks separate smooth animation from rough animation. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what professional animators do that beginners miss. And trust me, once you know this, you will never animate the same way again. You follow the tutorials, you spend hours on your work cycle, every frame is drawn exactly right. But when you hit play, something feels off. It's choppy, it's janky, it doesn't flow like animations you see online. Here is the truth, it's not your drawing skills, it's not your talent. It's 3 technical things that nobody tells beginners about. And once you know them, every animation you make will instantly look smoother. Let me show you. Trick number 1. Add in-between frames even when you think you don't need them. Here is what most beginners do. Frame 1, arm is down. Frame 2, arm is up and done. 2 frames, but you watch what happens when you play it back. Your brain sees that jump and says something is wrong. It's too fast, it's choppy. Here is the fix. Add at least 1 frame in between. Frame 1, arm is down. Frame 2, arm is halfway up. And frame 3, arm is fully up. Now watch the difference. Suddenly, it's smoother. Your brain can follow the movement. The rule is simple. For every major movement, add at least 1 in-between frames. 2 is even better. Let me show you with a punch. Without in-betweens, ready position, then fully extended. 2 frames, choppy. With in-betweens, ready position, arm starting forward, arm halfway, then fully extended. 4 frames, smooth. That is the difference. More in-betweens equal smoother animation. It's that simple. Trick number 2. Stop animating at 24 frames per second when you are a beginner. I know what you are thinking. Professional animators use 24 frames per second, so you should too, right? Wrong. Here is why. 24 FPS requires way more skills because there's less room for error. Every single frame has to be nearly perfect. Here is what you should do instead. Start at 12 FPS. Yes, half the frame rate. That's what I recommend in all my tutorials. Why does this work? Because 12 FPS is way more forgiving for beginners. You need fewer drawings, which means less work. But each drawing you do make matters more, which actually forces you to focus on getting the movement right. Here is the test. Take your next animation and set FlipaClip to 12 FPS instead of 24. Watch how much smoother it feels, even though you are drawing half as many frames. Once you are comfortable at 12 FPS and your animation looks smooth, then you can move up to 24 FPS, but not before. Trust me on this one, 12 FPS is your friend when you are learning. Trick number 3. Actually use your onion skin filter. Don't just turn it on and ignore it. Most beginners turn on onion skin because everyone says so, but then they still just draw wherever feels right. They are not actually looking at the previous frame. That is why your character jump around the screen. That is why the spacing is inconsistent. Here is how to use onion skin properly. Before you draw the next frame, stop. Look at the previous frame, showing through onion skin. Ask yourself, is my new drawing going to be far from the last one, or is it going to be close to the last one? The spacing between your drawings control the speed. Drawings far apart means fast movement. Drawing closer together means slow movement. If you are not checking your onion skin, you can't control this. So here is the habit you need to build. Every single frame, check your onion skin first, then draw. Every frame, no exception. Pro tip, set your onion skin to show 2 previous frames, not just 1. More context means smoother animation. Go into your setting right now and change it. Alright, let me show you the difference these 3 tricks make. Here is a simple work cycle without this trick. 2 frames per step, 24 FPS. No attention to spacing. Watch how choppy it looks. Now, here is the exact same work cycle with the 3 tricks applied. In between frames added, 12 FPS. Proper onion skin spacing. Watch the difference. You see that? Same skill level, same amount of drawing time, Just 3 simple changes. In between frame checked, 12 FPS for beginners checked, actually using on your screen properly check. That's all it takes to go from choppy to smooth. So here is your action plan. 3 tricks. Add more in between frames, switch to 12 FPS while you are learning, and actually check your on your screen before every single frame you draw. Try this in your next FlipaClip animation and guarantee you it will look 10 times smoother. If this video helped you, like this video and drop a comment below. Tell me which trick helped you the most. And if you want more animation tips, animation tutorials, which I drop every single week, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly animation tutorials, animation tips. Now, stop watching this video and go animating. Put this trick into practice right now. I see you in the next one. This is Toonz Academy, your mobile animation channel. Learn, create, and enjoy.